To open the hood, there's a lever right here below your dash. Just pull forward to pop the hood. Then here in the middle of the grill, you'll put your fingers in the middle and push it to the right and lift up this little latch here. To check the power steering fluid level, you'll need a towel or a paper towel or something that you can clean off the dipstick with. It is located right here below the alternator. You'll twist the cap off and pull it out. You'll need to clean off the end of the stick. There is markings on the stick. When the engine is cold, this line is the full mark, so it needs to be here, between here and here. If it is whining and well below that, then you may need to fill it quite a bit. It won't take very much, so a small bottle will do, unless you've got to completely fill the reservoir. But you'll stick it back into its hole, snap it, take it back out, and since this one is hot, there is a full hot mark. In this case, we are right on the line, so it is acceptable. And put it back in and snap it shut, and it's done.